Chicken never tasted so good before now. Chicken skewers that taste this good? Now that should be illegal. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make garlic Parmesan chicken skewers. So just sit right back, grab a drink or two, and let's get into it. Don't forget, subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. It really helps. The sauce we add to these skewers at the end of the cook is what gives them their taste explosion. To make chicken skewers, we just may need some chicken. And as always, Mick from Gippsland Premium Meat came to the rescue in the form of these chicken breasts, a whole kilogram of them. And as always, when handling chicken, you want to glove up. You just don't know what Mick's been doing to it. And then grab yourself a sharp knife, and then we're just going to cut the chicken into roughly 3cm cubes. And then put these chicken cubes of soon-to-be deliciousness into a sealable container. By making sure we cut the chicken pieces the same size, they're going to cook more evenly. To this chicken, we need to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon pepper seasoning, 4 cloves of crushed garlic, and half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Slap the lid on and shake this up to make sure all the ingredients are mixed up thoroughly. And then put this in the fridge for at least an hour. You could let the chicken marinate for up to 12 hours if you want to prep this ahead of time. The chicken's been marinating for an hour now, so we can start making our skewers up. And I'm opting to use superior reusable metal skewers today. And once gloved up, just spread on the chicken, making sure that you keep the skewers roughly all about the same size. And once you've made them all up, pop them back in the fridge until we get the barbecue ready. In 1377 is the first known reporting of meat cooked on a skewer. So it only makes sense that we could improve on that by now. Today I'm using my Weber Go Anywhere, or GA as they're known, and I'm pairing it up with my 100mm riser and my hibachi grill that I grabbed from Rub and Grub over in South Australia. Why? Because I want to be cooking over direct heat today. And how I'll do that is by removing the lid, because we won't need that today, and I'll get rid of the original grill. I'll fully open all of the vents, and that's going to allow as much oxygen to our fuel as possible. I'll carefully put the riser in place, and then I'll half fill a chimney starter with lumped charcoal. I'll light it up. Once it's fully ashed over, I'll dump that into the GA. And then, using an old pair of tongs, I'm just going to spread the charcoal out so we get even heat throughout the entire GA. I'll put the hibachi grill in place and let this warm up for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the metal has heated up and it would have expanded, opening up all the pores. So what we can do is get a bit of paper towel and some oil and brush that on. And we're now creating a non-stick surface. If you don't have a riser, you're just going to have to turn your skewers a little bit more quickly while cooking them, or let them burn. That choice is yours. It's time to place the skewers on the grill, and we're just going to keep turning them around every minute or so until the internal temp is reading 74 degrees Celsius, as this is the official no death chicken temp. That meaning if you cook your chicken properly, you won't die when eating it. I suggest investing in a good instant read thermometer to track any internal temp of your food. And I always use Thermopan. While the chicken is cooking, we can make that tasty garlic Parmesan sauce. Now first up, we're going to melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter over a low to medium heat. And then I'm going to add 3 cloves of crushed garlic, and we're just going to saute that for about a minute until it becomes really fragrant. And then we're going to remove the pan from the heat, and we're going to add half a cup of Parmesan cheese and a tablespoon of freshly chopped parsley, and just stir until fully combined. This is a simple sauce, but the flavour kick it gives this dish is out of this world. Plus, it helps keep the chicken moist. The word moist. It's growing on me. It's still smart. Today, I'm using a high direct heat to cook with. And all up, these chicken skewers are gonna take anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes to be fully cooked. Or for those of you who love to use my beer timer, you're looking at a 1 beer cook. Cheers.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
The people have spoken. They want more beer. The chicken is cooked and it's ready. So it is time to start coating these skewers in this garlic Parmesan sauce. And don't forget, turn them over, and we're going to do the other side as well. Just another quick brushing of the sauce. Woo! And then we can just get them off the heat and put them on a platter. This is what dreams are made of. Well, mine are anyway. Just give the meat a little time to cool before shoving it down your throat.